Hello everyone, my name is Monta. I'm the founder of OnlyFounders, and if you're here in this video, you're probably wondering how to use the Startup Essential section of the app. So I'm just gonna go over the pages really quickly. Here you find the matchmaking section of our app, really simply, where you can find like-minded co-founders. But the section of Learn down there is the most important one, and where we're going to talk about right now. At first glance, you'll see categories, and here and every page here has a different kind of categories for the different kinds of resources that we have there. On the first page, as you can see, you have networking events. So you'll find events about team bonding, pitch competitions, networking events, hackathons, tech events. For now, for example, you have London's largest demo day by Vasily there. And you have other events there. And as well, we have this Learn section all over the app on these 3 pages as well. The second section is mostly a list of the accelerators and incubators based on someone's interest. So for example, if someone is looking for co-founder matching, we know that Antler is good for that. If someone's looking for, Entrepreneurs First does that as well. Again, you see a lot of the filters here as well. You look for venture studios, accelerators, incubators. If it's about an accelerator that invests in early stage startups, or is it more an incubator that is for early stage startups, or for an accelerator, a little bit of filtering like that to guide the founders. And here is one of the most important sections where we're implementing a main section for mentorship. Here right now it's just coming soon, but we'll be able to implement and add a lot of advisors and mentors where founders would be directly able to book them and book calls with them. Additionally, they'll have other resources such as public grants. Obviously here you have like a lot of grants in the UK, just like the Innovate UK here, or other ones, and depending as well again on the different categories. Now moving on to the Learn section, which is here. The objective of this section is to become kind of like an online pre-incubator where we help and teach early stage founders about the foundation of starting a business and how to do the right due diligence process. So for example, here you'll find a keynote about how to find co-founders. This is a keynote that we did with Google, a 40-minute keynote, but you'll also find a different kind of things about how to do the right due diligence, how to do vesting. What is vesting? What is the difference between an accelerator or an incubator? Guiding these early stage entrepreneurs understand the basics of startups, convertible notes, safes, the definitions of what is seed, pre-seed, bootstrapping, these things that could be a little bit intimidating at the beginning. And in the long run, we want to package that all in a course. I would have like a progress bar and different videos one by one, but for now it's mostly a list of resources where again you can have either videos or articles like this one, or also additionally some podcasts directly, and all of these buttons are completely customizable, and you could get a CTA directly from here and relink it to your website, or relink it to whatever section you have. And it could be shareable as well directly on a web version. So this section is more for helping founders, and we are seeing a lot of people going into here to learn about the startup ecosystem, to get familiar with the early stage things, but also to find some deals and to find some resources that could help them. So for example, if they're doing SEIS, they'll find something like Seed Legals that would help them directly there. Thank you very much. And yeah, I just wanted to make the video really quick, really short, to introduce you to this area and to make you familiar with it. Again, here's the matchmaking area, and have a good day.